Hi friends, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting and valuable coin from the United Arab Emirates. The One Dirham coin, minted between 1973 and 2004, is a sought-after collectible among numismatists and collectors. In this video, we'll explore its design, history, rarity, and worth, and find out why it's worth millions of dollars. Design. The One Dirham coin was designed by the renowned sculptor and engraver, Thomas S. Hudson. The obverse features a portrait of the late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the first president of the United Arab Emirates, surrounded by the inscription, United Arab Emirates, in Arabic and English. The reverse features the national emblem of the United Arab Emirates, which consists of a falcon holding a parchment with the country's name in Arabic, surrounded by a wreath of laurel leaves. The coin's design is simple yet elegant, and its unique shape and intricate details make it stand out from other coins. History. The United Arab Emirates was formed in 1971, and the first coins were minted in 1973. The One Dirham coin was introduced as a replacement for the Bahraini dinar, which was previously used in the UAE. The coin was minted by the Royal Mint in London and was made of cupronickel. Over the years, the coin underwent several changes in its design, with the most notable being the change in the obverse portrait of Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan in 1982. The coin was minted until 2004, when it was replaced by a new design. Rarity. The One Dirham coin is relatively rare, especially in mint condition. The coin was minted in limited quantities, and many of them have been circulated and worn down over the years. The rarest and most valuable coins are those with a high mintage number, which indicates that they were minted in larger quantities. However, even the most common coins can still fetch a high price due to their historical significance and the fact that they are no longer in circulation. Worth. The value of the One Dirham coin can vary depending on several factors, such as its condition, rarity, and the demand for it in the collector's market. On average, a mint-condition coin can fetch between $1,000 to $5,000. However, some of the rarest and most valuable coins can sell for much higher prices. In 2019, a rare 1973 coin sold for $25,000 at an auction in Dubai. Another coin, minted in 1982, sold for $15,000 at an auction in London. The value of these coins is expected to continue to increase as they become more scarce and demand for them grows. Conclusion. The United Arab Emirates One Dirham coin is a unique and valuable collectible that is worth millions of dollars. Its design, history, and rarity make it a sought-after item among numismatists and collectors. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this coin is a great addition to your collection. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Please like and subscribe for more videos on rare and valuable coins. Thank you for watching.